Another problem here, a drainage area is given in the one sector of the town of 20 hectares. So percentage of the different surface area it is given, so type of the surface it is given, and the runoff coefficient is also given. So time of concentration for the each area is they are given time as 30 minutes here. Okay, here time of concentration it is given as 30 minutes. Find the maximum runoff. So using the rainfall intensity formula you have to use it. So only thing is, one is surface, the percentage of the surface area it is given by using the types of this percentage surface area and the coefficient, runoff coefficient, you have to find it. So they only given the what type of the formula you have to use it. Intensity of the rainfall you have to use it by using this formula. So before calculating this you should know the few things. So that is, here runoff coefficient they are given. So either they will give you the runoff coefficient, either they will give you impermeability coefficients. But the formula, what the previous formula we used, you have to use the same formulas. So I'll show you the example. The continuing, after continuing this problem. See here, the what this is, here you can see here the formula here. In previous problem what I used, IEAV, this instead of CA I used IEAV. So see, summation of I into area divided by summation of area, or total area A, both are same. So this formula used, that is for intensity. Impermeability coefficient, this is here a runoff coefficient. Instead of I, here it will be C. So that is the only change. That's the only change, you have to keep it. So remember this formula, and find out respectively. So summation of C into A. So C into A, what the previously what I have done, the same thing you have to use it. So percentage they are given 25, 25, 20, 25%, 15%, 85%, and like that. So what you have to do is, in this runoff coefficient they have used as 0.85, you take it that. Okay, coefficient, runoff coefficient, you leave it. Percentage, the type of the surface area they are given, not 25% they are given, so you have to take it same like as it is like previous. The percentage area they are given, no, same like that only. If they are given 25% means you have to take 0.25a. If they are given 15% means you have to take it 0.15a. So if they given 10% means 0.10a. Like that you have to write it with that respective runoff coefficient. Runoff coefficient, whatever the runoff coefficient they given, so 85% a, 0.85, 0.80, 30, 0.15, 0.10, like that same thing you have to take it. Take that respective each coefficients and calculate CAV. That is, so altogether after multiplying this each individually multiple, then you will get this answers. Okay, so after getting this answer altogether you add it. Okay, summation of CA, this is summation of CA. Summation of CA is 0.5050 a divided by area, whatever area it is there you write it as it is. So you will get the 0.505. So CA, after calculating the CA value, so divided by area, total area you write it as it is only. Area it is both, so it will get cancelled. So finally C value, this coefficient of the runoff, you will get CE, so that you will get it 0.505. Next, the whatever the formula which given by in the question, that you write down. Ri is equal to 900 divided by T plus 60. So time of concentration they only given as 30 minutes. So for T you write it as 30 and write calculate further. So finally R you will get it as, that is intensity of the rainfall is 10 mm per hour. So now you have been calculated ri, c value, everything you calculated. So you need, now you have to find out the amount of the intensity, the amount of the maximum runoff. So use this formula. So C, this is for the coefficient of the runoff. Q is equal to 1 by 360 CRI into area. So C, which you have been calculated, that is 0.505. Okay. Next is rainfall intensity, that is also you have been determined, that is 10 mm per hour. Next is the area. Area, they only given the area as 20 hectare. Directly in the question only they are given. So note that value as a total area of the town, that is 20 hectares. Write down as it is, area value as 20. Okay, finally all together you calculate this value. Finally you will get it as in the cubic. Okay, so that is metric cube. Metric cube per second you will get it. That is 0.2806 cubics you will get it. So if you want to convert that into liters per second means, so it will be 280 liters per second. So that's the answer for this problem. So it's very simple. Only thing is, instead of IA it will become CAV. So that's all. Okay, so RI value, intensity rainfall value, this formula it is given in the question. Then you only thing is you have to remember these two formulas. One is this one and another is this one. This formula they only given. So only remember this pink color two formulas. Okay. If you remember this whole problem is very simple, easy to solve and get the marks.